This was such a large project and it was so fun to work with. From the very beginning, when we decided that we were going to pick up the floors, new wall color, each individual room had a purpose, it had a theme, and it had a function. And for this particular client, we needed to nail all of these areas.
Let's start with these luxury vinyl floors. I can't say enough about them. I love them. I'm considering placing these in my own home over my hardwood floors. I just love the durability of the floor and the fact that you can just have pets and not worry about them. This floor brings so much life to this space. Here's the before of this living room space. We love it, right? Even the cat's looking like, what am I doing here? It is dated, hasn't been touched in years. All of the furniture is against the wall, and it's things that we talked about in other videos for creating conversational pieces that are a little bit more inclusive. Full steam ahead, we've got the movers on board and they're moving some of the old furniture out. We did keep some of their furniture and I am going to utilize it in this project, but the guys are just wonderful with moving everything in. Okay, so almost perfect, but I needed to go over towards the console, yeah, and maybe like 6 inches, a little bit more, right? I think right there. For this chair and living room set, I had the chairs upholstered with 2 different fabrics. One is a permanent fabric and the other is a slip cover. The permanent fabric is the print, and then I had slip covers made in white. Paired that with drapery, and this room is stunning. And just like that, we've changed the day, we've changed the atmosphere, adding this white sofa and this marble top with the console table and the large mirror reflecting light back into the space that was once dark. This is amazing and it's so sophisticated. These chairs are on a swivel. They're floating in this conversation area inside of the room. It's a small space, but the most is maximized. In this bedroom, like before, I believe she had this bed since her college days, which was about maybe 20 years ago. The love seat was too large. It didn't fit for the corner and it was just oversized. We did keep some of the existing furniture like the dresser. Then we installed a fabulous grass cloth wallpaper. The texture, keeping it very neutral in the space, was amazing. I painted the wall, one of the colors of the wallpaper. This Z-bar that I'm hanging now, it's for the upholstered headboard, so it's super, super strong. I love this custom headboard with the tufting. It has nail heads around it and it's white, it's overstated. It is simply gorgeous. So now we're just going to dress everything up in the space, add the custom comforter to the space, which is tough. It just works so well with this white headboard against the texture of a backdrop. Look at this. What a difference a day makes. This gorgeous space with the light, the headboard, the wallpaper. Her favorite colors are the blue and the gold, and it just works in the space. She absolutely wanted a space that she could call her sanctuary, where she could escape this farmhouse type barn door, because she wanted a barn door, but I said the room is so elegant, we've got to create something a little bit different. The barn door with the glass was just the trick. Instead of having an oversized sofa, we placed a reclining chair so she can sit back and recline and relax in that space. This bathroom was typical to bathrooms that were done in the 1980s. A super small shower, maybe 3 feet in length, very narrow, and then you had a large tub. It had a window over the bathtub. Well, we didn't have a whole lot of space to work with because the bathroom is super narrow, but we wanted to extend the shower. So what was the trick? To close up the window, take away the bathtub, and extend the shower, and that is exactly what we did. We created a 9-foot shower. It turned out amazing. Painted all the doors black in the entire house, restained the existing cabinetry, took out all of the window, the old bathroom, took it down to the studs, and created a sanctuary spa-like bathroom to die for. This is a dual faucet shower. So there is a faucet head on each side, right and left of the shower. The drain in the middle, there's 2 benches. The hardware on the shower, a place for shampoo. All of the little detail turned out ecstatic. The client loved every single thing. And then everything was a twin in the space. Added some accessory details like floral, that rich chocolate color on the cabinets, and those beautiful chrome pulls that are on the cabinets. Look at this faucet. State of the art.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time?
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.